Hello everyone. Today I want to present how to manage your files. Objective of this topic: how to develop file management strategy, explore file and folders, create, copy, move, delete folders, how to name or create a file, copy, move and delete files. So when we say file, it is named unit of related data stored in a computer. It includes properties of files, date of creation, last modification, size of files. Folders. Folders is a directory. Subfolders is used to organize related files. Drives. Drive is a storage device like hard disk drive, CD-ROM, CD, DVD drive, external in the USB flash drive. Drive letter specified drive includes a letters, colon and a backslash. Example, when you call a hard disk location where your files and the programs are stored in is local disk C represent look like this one. On a Mac or drive appears icons. What is the path? Path is a sequence of a directory to follow to locate a files. For example, when you want to look where is a draft 1.docs is local disk C, classes, homework 1, draft 1 docs. Top level of the folder is the classes. Organizing file in the folders. A file or document is a collection of data that has named and it is stored in a computer. You organize files by storing them in a folders. Disk contain folders that hold this document or a files. Disk, example of disk may be floppy disk, zip disk, compact disk, hard disk. Also, removable disk are inserted into a drive. Organizing files in the folders. Hard disk is housed in a drive, usually drive C, inside of a computer, like it is inside of a computer. The external drives, example floppy disk drive, zip disk drive, CD drive, and the DVD drive is external drives. Understanding the need for organizing files in the folders. Windows organizes the folders in the files in hierarchy or file system. Windows store files, folders, and important files that needs when you turn on a computer in the root directory. Folders stored within other folders are called subfolders. Root directory. The top level of hard disk for the system files in the folders only. Some folders are also reserved for the Windows and the programs. For the Windows, system files, and under Windows there is a desktop, system files, under subfolder in Windows folders. The programs, program files, and my document is stored subfolders what you create on a folders, and your files and store in subfolders. Developing strategy for organizing files in the folders. The type of disk you to store files determining how you organize these files. Storing files or removable media allows you to use simpler organization. The The larger the media, the more level of folders you should use. My document folders, you should have a backup or duplicate copy of important files. The top, there is a developing strategy for organizing files in the folders. There is a computer. Inside of a computer there is hard disk, which means local disk C. There is a floppy disk. Floppy disk and the hard disk drive is a top level of a system. The second level of file structure is a window, programs in the document and the other data. The third document is the main folder for your documents, which you create on your computer. For example, the basic account, basic concept, management skill, professional skill. Those are a folder you created on your computer to store different files. For example, inside of the professional writing, there is different files like called memo, policy, proposal, and the reports. Exploring files in the folders. Window Explorer shows the files, folders, and the drive on your computers. There are panels. Panels, Explorer bar, and the folder panel. Expansion icon, collapsing icons. Many computers shows the directory on your computers. For example, when you're exploring files in the folders, there is this site is called panel, is expansion panel. So there is the name of the selected folders are displayed on the top of a opened window. The another one is the click to close the folders. That means collapse the opened file. There is a minus sign. When you click on the plus sign, click to open the folders. It is changed to the minus, which means the blue one is the selected folders. When you select a folder, there is a different files inside of a folders. That is the content of the selected drive. Which file is inside of the folders. Exploring files in the folders. This one is when you explore, this sign is click to return your previous location or to go back for the previous. This is the current location. Click to move up level on the hierarchically to display. And the standard button tools and the address bar here is. Also this one is a link to other location on your computer. For example, when you want to go to my document or share document, go to a computer, or when you want to go to a network place, you have to be clicked and from those on one. Then you can go to the wanted location through this one. Using Windows Explorer. My document folders contain different things, which means in my document there is the music, there is the picture, the content of the folder selected in a folder panel, drive on your computer like floppy disk drive, local disk C, CD drive, and so on. And also useful location for a computer. When you want to share, you go to the shared location and another location. You have to be choose from those. Navigating to your data files. The file is notation that indicates a file's location on your computers. A is present the drive. FM is the top level of a drive. Tutorial is a subfolder in FM folder. Holiday bitmap picture is the full name of a file extension of your files. When you want to create a folders, creating folders using Windows Explorer, click on a menu bar, point to a new folder. Display some menu and click on a folders. Then a folder displays the blue screen to type a new name. A folder name is selected and ready for you to replace. Then after finish, you click on the blank space or click enter. Moving in the copying file in the folders, moving file, remove it from its current location in the place it is on new location where you specify. Copying place the files in both locations, which means it is duplicated. Naming and the renaming files. Naming provides the important information about a file, including its contents and the purposes. Main part of the file, dot, and the file extension. A file extension identifies the file type and indicates the program in which the file was created. Deleting files in the folders. The recycle bin is an area where your hard disk is stored. Hold a deleted file until you remove the permanently. Example of extension of a file. When the extension is .exe, it is a program or application, and also there are different types of extension. Thank you for watching my video. If you like, subscribe, share it. Thank you very much.